cher Will Smith. Alors là, vous m'avez bluffé. Une arrivée à la Men in Black, bruyante, impressionnante, tous vos fans hurlant votre nom et vous posez, classe, souriant, tellement calme, sachant déjà la belle surprise que vous allez leur faire alors qu'ils l'ignorent encore. Car dans Seul contre tous, loin du Dr J, vous êtes Bennett Omalu, cet autre docteur nigérian bardé de diplômes et expert en autopsie qui fut le premier à associer scientifiquement commotion cérébrale et football américain, une déclaration choc qui fit mal au pays du Super Bowl dans les années 2000.
My God. I think I found a disease that no one has ever seen before.
They use the head as a weapon.
You know, there's a lot of really powerful ideas in this film. At the end of the day, you're going to laugh, you're going to cry. You know, it's a story about a beautiful man who suffered to bring the truth to an America that he loved. I played him in a movie, but he actually lived through and you know, suffered through the pain of these experiences. So from a young boy growing up during an air raid in Nigeria to a story in Hollywood being made about his life, a part of his journey in that way. It's the type of thing that's very rare. It's a real-life story that lends itself perfectly to cinematic structure.
Dans le film, votre physique a changé, mais pas seulement. Vous avez aussi dû travailler un accent nigérian et une diction particulière, une posture un peu maladroite, un charisme naïf mais pugnace. Vous êtes littéralement entré dans la peau du véritable Dr Omalu présent sur le tournage.
Sir, I am not done. History laughs. If you continue to deny my work, the world will deny my work. But men, your men, continue to die. Their families left in ruins. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
Bien sûr, je me dis que la transformation physique a d'abord attiré l'acteur que vous êtes, mais sans doute aussi la dimension spirituelle de l'histoire.
Mike, I can't do this alone. I need to tell the world what happened to you.
When I'm watching him perform the autopsy, he's talking to the body as if it's a live patient. It's a little disconcerting at first, but it's a really beautiful thing. And you know, he has a wonderful sixth sense about trying to figure out how a person died.
The dead are my patients. I treat them with respect.
But you have to talk to them?
Part of the beauty of Bennett's story is that it does have mythological and biblical proportions to it. As an actor, it's a very rare occurrence that you take a true story that has that kind of mythological shape to it. You know, when you embody those types of things, and it's like, it's ecstatic for an actor. It's David and Goliath, but it played out in real life in a way. It's the way you would write it if it were a fantasy.
What do they want?
The NFL wants you to say you made it all up.
I made it up.
They're accusing you of fraud.
If you retract, you'll be fine. This all goes away.
Why are they doing this?
They're terrified of you.
I wrote this movie for Will. There was never anybody else in my mind, from the first word to the last word. And partly because Bennett is such a complex, joyful intellect, so is Will. He's all those things. And he was able to inhabit Bennett's awkwardness and strangeness, and you know, people are going to watch this film and not recognize for a while that it's Will at all.
I think you're going to be an American hero.
I'm not even an American.
That's even better.
L'histoire d'un homme qui a donné de sa vie pour apporter aux autres, l'histoire d'un homme qui a suivi son supérieur comme un modèle absolu et qui s'en est inspiré pour grandir aux États-Unis.
For Bennett, Cyril Wecht represented
the image of the successful American. So Bennett was doing everything that Cyril Wecht was doing, the suits that he was wearing, the type of car that he had, the way that he dealt with people. Cyril Wecht became an image of the American dream.
C'est drôle que vous disiez ça, mon cher Will, car pour beaucoup, vous incarnez ce rêve américain. Oui, vous, la star internationale issue du hip-hop et de la télévision, classée parmi les plus influents d'Hollywood, vous servez aussi de modèle à beaucoup. Alors merci de continuer à nous faire rêver, surtout dans des rôles qui vous vont si bien.